Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Grasim Industries Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and others. This case has been reported in 458 ITR at page number 1. The matter has been decided by Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 1st September 2023. In this case, the assessee has entered into a foreign collaboration agreement with the company D to receive the services of engineering and some other services. Because the assessee has received some services and the assessee has to make the payment, so the assessee applied before the Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax for the certificate to deduct TDS at nil rate. The Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax denied this certificate, due to which the assessee has to pay the tax at the rate of 30% under protest. The assessee paid the TDS under protest and accordingly made the payment to the company D. Because this amount was not taxable in the hands of D, so when the company D, to whom the payment has been made by the assessee, filed his return of income, the company D claimed this amount as not taxable and filed the return of income at nil. When the learned assessing officer was making the assessment of company D, the assessing officer made the addition in the hands of the company D. When the D company went into the litigation, the court deleted all the additions made in the hands of D, and accordingly the returned income of the company D was accepted at the High Court level. Now the situation was that this amount was not taxable in the hands of D. The TDS was deducted. Since the company D has not borne this tax, because this TDS which has been paid by the assessee company to the company D, this tax has been borne by the assessee company. So the question arises, by whom this amount is to be claimed as refund? Because this amount was not deducted from the payment of the company D, so D was not eligible to get this refund. And since the assessee has paid this amount, so the assessee was eligible to get the amount of refund under section 248. Section 248 says about the appeal by a person denying liability to deduct certain tax in certain cases. So in this particular case, when the assessee made a request for the refund was denied, due to which the assessee went into the writ court, and the writ court said that in this particular case, the company to whom the payment has been made, that was the company D, has not claimed the refund and has issued no objection certificate to the revenue, that the company D does not have any objection in giving the refund to the assessee company. And since the assessee company has borne the tax, borne the TDS which has been paid while making the payment to the company D. So in this case, since the amount was not taxable and that amount was paid under protest, so this amount should be refunded to assessee company who has made the payment to company D. And the Bombay High Court also allowed and give the directions to the department to give the refund with interest. Friends, this case is very important because this is a common issue. This is a common problem that when the assessee has to make the payment and the lower TDS certificate is applied for, which is not given, and this amount is not taxable in the hands of the recipient, and the tax is borne by the payer, then in that cases, this case will help all those assessees to get the refund. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Grasim Industries Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and other. And this case has been reported in 458 IPR at page number 1. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 1st September 2023. Thank you, friends.